welcome back. We're going to finish up the first part of our polynomial chapter talking about special products. We have two different types of special products. This first one is the square of a binomial pattern. Now, here's the thing. You can use this pattern to help you it's a shortcut for multiplying, but you can actually use any multiplication method that we've talked about on these binomials. The other thing on here is we never distribute the second power when we have adding or subtracting in our parentheses. Never. So the first thing that I would do is I would rewrite it. We have 3x plus 4 squared means 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. Then you can distribute, FOIL, put it in the Punnett box, use the multiplication method, whatever one you love, to go ahead and get your answer. If you did want to use this shortcut, here's how you would do it. Our first term is the 3x, and so we'd write that as squared. This is a plus sign, so it would be plus 2 times 3x times 4 plus 4 squared. That's the pattern. 3 squared is 9. X squared is x squared. 2 times 3x is 6x times 4 is 24x. And then 4 squared is 16. Again, it's a shortcut. It follows the pattern above. If you don't love it, you do not have to use it. You can use any multiplication method you want. So let's try a different method with letter B. For letter B, let's say we have 5x minus 2y times 5x minus 2y, and maybe this time I'm going to distribute. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times negative 2y, 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. Then we have x and we have y. Negative 2y times 5x, negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. And we have xy. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Y times y is y squared. These two terms in the middle are both xy, so I'm allowed to go ahead and combine them. We have 25x squared. Negative 10 minus 10 more is negative 20 xy plus 4y squared. And this would be our answer. Letter C, 2x plus 6. So if I write this as a Punnett box, I have 2x plus 6 and 2x plus 6. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 6 is 12x. 6 times 2x is 12x. And 6 times 6 is 36. Remember, our like terms are diagonal there, so we have 4x squared. 12x plus 12x is 24x. And then we have that 36 at the end. Second power, first power constant. It's written in standard form and a good answer. If I look at this last example, that's 3x minus y twice. Negative y times negative y is positive y squared. Negative y times positive 3x is negative 3xy. So we're done with that. Here's our placeholder. 3x times negative y is negative 3xy. 3x times 3x is positive 9x squared. We have 9x squared, negative 3xy, plus negative 3xy is negative 6xy. And then we bring down that y squared. And that's our final answer. So as you can see, you can use the shortcut if you are okay with it and you want to try it. Otherwise, any of the methods we learned in our last set of notes work for squaring binomials, as long as you make sure you don't just distribute that square. Sum and difference pattern. This pattern I would memorize. You will use it quite a lot, and we'll use it both for multiplying and when we get to factoring. Probably one of the things besides the exponent rules that we've done so far that would be the best benefit for you to memorize. Remember, you can still use any multiplication method. That you love, but this pattern always ends with the like terms adding to 0, always. So if I show an example of that, I'll distribute. T times t is t squared. T times negative 5 is negative 5t. Positive 5 times t is plus 5t. And positive 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. My like terms are right here in the middle. Negative 5 plus 5 adds to 0. So we're left with t squared minus 25. So if you can check, the first terms are exactly identical. The last terms are exactly identical. And then you have a plus and a minus in any order. And again, this only works for binomials with these specific guidelines. Then all you have to do is multiply the first terms together and the last terms together. So let's try that shortcut for letter F. We have 3x, they're exactly identical. The y's, they are exactly identical, and a plus and a minus. So that means I can do 3x squared minus y squared. 3 squared is 9, x squared is x squared, and y squared is y squared. Example G, we have a and a, 8 and 8, 1's plus 1's minus. So a squared minus 8 squared. A squared is a squared. 8 squared is 64. And that's it. Letter H, 4x and 4x, y and y, 1's plus 1's minus, 4x squared minus y squared. 4 squared is 16. X squared is x squared minus y squared, which is y squared. And that's it. Go ahead and try the U-tries on this page. We'll see you in class tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.